Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Acute triangle.
What does the dictionary say?
A triangle with all angles less than 90 degrees.
Math rap.
Some triangles aren't right. Some are just ugly, others are acute. With little angles so snugly, like in all triangles, acute angles come in threes, but every single one of them is less than 90 degrees.
Math rap.
Explain an acute triangle in your own words. What are some real-life objects that have acute triangles in them? If a triangle has one of its angles at exactly 90 degrees, does that mean it's no longer an acute triangle? Is that right? Can you make a picture of an object by connecting many acute triangles together? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your Math Minutes rock!